Best of Carl Wheezer.
Jimmy, is it okay if I eat some croissants? Oh no, I'm not eating that. I believe I want to eat my croissants instead. Please give me my croissants, Jimmy. Jimmy, I don't like lightning. It makes my hair stand up funny. This is the end. My entire life out before my eyes. Goodbye, world. Jimmy, can I wash the dishes with my hands, please? Sorry, ladies, I'm gonna have to search you. She's clean. Slap, slap, slap. Clap, clap, clap. Slap, slap, slap. Clap, clap, clap. Ah! Confetti in my eyes! Jimmy, is it okay if I play your Nintendo Switch, please? Okay, nice snakes, pretty snakes. Go away, please. You don't want to inject me with your long, sharp fangs and inject poison into my bloodstream. Well, guys, this one's fun. Oh, let's all quiet and orderly fashion way of seriously something really scary like Mummies! They're coming this way. Everybody stay quiet. Jimmy, I'm blind. I want to save the free world too. Please let me help, Jimmy. Please, 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 Jimmy, I'll do anything. Please, please, please.
You can help Carl by providing us a snack for quick energy.
Who likes fruit chewies?